Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a fun challenge and it is
letting the person in front of us decide what are we gonna eat
for the next 24 hours. So what the challenge basically is, we will be going to different outlets, restaurants. There are not a lot of drive-thrus here, so we'll probably go to restaurants and we will eat whatever the person in front of us has ordered. We're gonna eat the same thing. Now we both are a little picky eaters. Like whenever we go to a specific restaurant, we have a specific meal decided what we're gonna eat. So this is going to be a little tough.
Very tough.
And fun as well. So yeah, we're gonna try this.
But I'm very excited about it. I am also be like how much food the other person would have ordered. So let's see what
we will not know what they have ordered or how much they have ordered. So whatever it is, we'll check it out. So we will start with breakfast, and for breakfast we've decided that we're gonna go to Starbucks. So
it's a new outlet in Baroda. We have not been to Starbucks in Baroda
yet.
So let's see.
Yeah, let's go. यार बहुत भूख लग रही है.
बहुत very hungry.
So can you drive faster?
Bus, we will be there in like 5 minutes. There it is.
Alright, so be ready. We're gonna eat what they're gonna eat.
जो भी लास्ट में ऑर्डर किया ना वो अंकल आंटी आए थे ना वो सेम मुझे नहीं पता उन्होंने क्या ऑर्डर किया बट जो उन्होंने ऑर्डर किया वही.
Alright, so first experience was an epic fail because the person in front of us ordered
just one coffee.
One small coffee.
Well, I was very hungry.
And I was hungry too, and I don't drink coffee. So he's going to enjoy the coffee.
And we don't even know which one it is. Let me just check. So it's a short cappuccino.
So he's having a short cappuccino.
So the first bill is like 210 rupees.
And it costs us 210. So he'll enjoy the coffee and then maybe we'll go somewhere else because we're super hungry. So yeah, enjoy your coffee.
Thank you.
Breakfast was fail and it's almost lunch time. So हम सोच रहे हैं we'll do an early lunch because breakfast में बस एक coffee मिली.
वो भी मुझे.
वो भी इसे I got nothing. So we're going to do an early lunch and we're thinking we'll go to a food court. So we'll have a few options because अगर वापस से यही हुआ that we get like only one order or like nothing to eat, we would want to eat something else. So
on the contrary, ऐसा ना हो जाए कि the person before us has ordered a lot of food because then it would be a bigger disaster.
Yeah, you never know. So let's go. So we're here and what do you want to eat?
We are at the food court. So let's go and check it out. We have a lot of options, right from a Momo Man to McDonald's to Domino's, Cafe Bollywood. Let's go and see.
Alright, so we're in McDonald's and I'm waiting to order. So hopefully I'm going to eat what this man is ordering. Hi. इससे पहले जो ऑर्डर था ना, can you repeat the same order for us?
Sure मैम. आप इसमें ना एक आपका रेगुलर लाटे है, तो मैगेग है और एक लार्ज फ्राइज है.
Okay.
Yes.
So McDonald's we got 2 burgers, 1 fries and a coffee again. So the coffee is gonna have. And we ended
एक
up
दिन में 2 कॉफी.
2 coffee.
Already.
His lucky day. And we ended up spending about 321, which is okay. But let's see, हमें शायद lunch के हिसाब से भूख लगे.
But at
But we'll
least
see.
we'll see.
But at least we got 2 burgers. So we're done with McDonald's and अभी भी भूख लग रही है.
I am having my second coffee of the day.
But हमने सोचा we'll go and watch a movie and there also we can see what the other person has ordered and have the same thing.
I don't know. I really want those people to order samosas at least.
I
I'm
want
hungry.
popcorn. I love popcorn and I really want someone to order popcorn so that I can have popcorn.
The chances are very high because we are going for a movie, but I still,
You know
will.
what kind of popcorn I like.
Yeah, but. हाँ तो हमसे पहले जो भी ऑर्डर किया है ना जिस बंदे जो भी आया उसने जो ऑर्डर किया सेम ऑर्डर नहीं हमसे पहले
सबसे पहले कॉम्बो था ना तो
नाचोस कॉम्बो ठीक है वो नाचोस कॉम्बो
ठीक है
उस कॉम्बो में क्या क्या आएगा
उसमें 1 कोल्ड ड्रिंक 1 पॉपकॉर्न और 1 नाचोस
ठीक है
पॉपकॉर्न कौन सा फ्लेवर
उन्होंने क्या लिया था
चीज़
चीज़ चीज़
कोक में कोक फैंटा थम्स अप स्प्राइट
उन्होंने क्या लिया था कोक
Yeah, I got popcorn. He did not get samosa, so he's a little disappointed. But he got nachos, so you know, it's okay.
And we also got cold drink that we don't drink, but we still got a drink today. After
Today's
2
a
coffees,
cheat
I
day.
don't know how our cold drink is going to be.
But popcorn.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. So we're done with the movie, and it was good. I got to have popcorn, and he had some nachos. So
I wanted
अच्छा
samosa
था.
though, but that was a challenge about.
And we're out now. थोड़ी सी भूख लगी है, so we're thinking we might just go have like a juice or a shake or something, depending on what the person has ordered. So yeah, let's see. Let's
But
go.
time to hydrate yourself. So let's
Yes.
go! Exactly same order हमको दे दो। जो भी हमसे पहले जो ऑर्डर हुआ है ना हाँ तो वो दे दो हमको वाटरमेलन जूस जितना क्वांटिटी उसका उसका एक ही था तो एक ही मुझे शाहरुख खान बहुत पसंद है सलमान खान भी पसंद है सलमान खान
This became the only place where we ordered a separate juice, but that was not for us. It was for the sweet little girl whose name was also Pooja. So we got a juice. Again, we ended up with only one juice.
one juice one day thing today but
I don't know what is the deal. Like every place that we're going, like someone before us orders just one thing.
जूस अच्छा है वी वुड वांटेड कि कम से कम 2 होते या तो विदाउट शुगर होता
Or without sugar होता.
दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ शुगर
So we have no other options but to have this.
Hi guys
Hi guys. So the last time we spoke, it was evening and it's night time now. It's almost dinner time, and we are going to have Chinese for dinner, right? He's excited. He likes Chinese.
I love Chinese I'm very excited but I don't know what are we gonna eat. It is all
Yeah.
dependent on what the other person has eaten and how much they have.
And
We are just
fingers
2
crossed.
people and if the other person have ordered a lot of food we are just gonna give it away.
But see, till now it has not helped us because till now we've actually eaten lesser than what we would actually have wanted, because everywhere that we've gone हमको हमेशा कम खाना मिला है. So I'm okay if one time we get little more food, we can like maybe distribute it to, you know, other
Let's see.
people in need. So yeah, fingers crossed, and we're off to eat some Chinese.
See you guys soon. Bye. सब हमारे से पहले क्या ऑर्डर करा?
Alright, so this is the first place in the whole day जहाँ पे the order that we've got is like so much that I don't think both of us can finish. So this is our order. So we've come to a place called Walk on Fire. It's a Chinese place, and for dinner we're gonna have Hakka noodles and Manchurian dry, a rice bowl, and some steamed momos. So it's more than we both can eat, but yeah, sounds good. Let's see how it goes. So our Manchurian is here, and the momos are here. And what did you like?
Manchurian, really good.
Manchurian is good, right? And the momos?
Okay.
They're okay. We finished the Manchurian and we finished the momos, but the plate's not there. The rice bowl is still left, and we still have the Hakka noodles as well. And do you think we are finishing the other dishes?
I am done. We will do some noble job. We are gonna give it to someone who likes this food.
Alright.
But at least I'm
so
done.
We're gonna give out.
I'm leaving some
food.
space for the dessert. Some
yeah,
dessert.
Yeah, we still have to do dessert, so we're leaving a little bit of our tummy empty, but this is the state of our dinner. Alright, so we're at the final destination for the night. We've come to a place called Belgian Waffle, and we're gonna have some dessert here.
तो हमसे पहले जिसने जो ऑर्डर किया ना, हमको वो क्या ऑर्डर है? हमको वो दे दो। हाँ।
ऑनलाइन है
क्या ऑर्डर है वो?
क्या ऑर्डर है लो लास्ट ऑर्डर ये बेल्जियम चॉकलेट डार्क है नटेला है चॉकलेट डोनट डार्क
ये तीन आइटम है। ठीक है, ये वाला ऑर्डर करो। सेम।
So we ended up with 3 waffles.
I don't think I can eat even one waffle. I'm like so full, but you never know. But definitely not 3.
I'm gonna eat 1, he's gonna devour 2 or 1. He'll eat 2, I know that.
No, I'll eat 1. I swear I'll eat 1.
I swear I'll eat it. I swear I'll eat it.
Cheers.
Alright, I'm tired. It's time for the bed.
We are so done for the day, and that's it for the challenge today. We let other people decide what we will eat for the whole day, and he's already out, but it has been a good day. It was fun, it was challenging. We tried out things that we normally wouldn't at places that we do visit, but we eventually end up eating what we generally like and keep ordering the same things. So it was a nice change for us to try different things, and yeah, we had fun, and I hope you guys also had fun with us.
And if you would like do this challenge once, it would be really interesting.
Yes, and please let me know in the comment section below how it goes for you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye. Good night.
Bye.